Hello guys, and welcome to this channel. Finally, I received a letter from Google or from YouTube to verify my address in my Google AdSense account, and then after that I can put my bank details to receive the payments from YouTube. But since I can see the shadow of the code inside, I'm gonna try this code. If it works, I don't want to open this envelope and I want to do something with it, and I show you what I'm gonna do with this letter at the end of this video, so be with me. And beside that, I'm going to show you how much I made on my YouTube for the first month. I put the link up there. I made a video on my first day, so I technically got monetized on 11th of March 2024, and here we are after 28 days. I'm going to show you how much I made on YouTube for the past 28 days, so be with me. So I can have a clue what the 6 digits are. It's worked. So I don't need to open this envelope. I'm going to show you what I want to do with this envelope at the end of this video. So now everything is fine. Before we go to the numbers, I'll show you on the screen how much I made for the past 28 days, how many views I had, and how many watch hours I had on my YouTube channel for the past 28 days. Before everything, I want to talk to you about how the procedure was for me to get to this point. I started my channel like something around 3 years ago, and I was not posting consistently since then. Especially when I moved to Luxembourg, it was really hard for me to commit myself to do videos on YouTube, because all the hard days of studying, working, new country, it was really hard, so I couldn't commit myself. I started to have a commitment of posting at least once per week since December 2023, and eventually my channel started to grow, and I could finally monetize my channel on 11th of March 2024. So something around 3 to 4 months it took me to monetize my channel. But what are the eligibilities to be able to join this partner program on YouTube, to be able to earn money from YouTube? There are 2 eligibilities to be able to join this YouTube partner program. The first one is to have at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and the second is to have either 4,000 hours of watch time for the past 365 days, or having 10 million of views in your short videos for the past 90 days. And the watch time from short videos do not count on the watch hours you need to monetize your channel. So on 11th of March 2024, I could finally check all these criteria and be able to join this YouTube partner program. Well, if you really want to monetize your channel and earn something from YouTube, you need to have commitment. You need to do it. You need to have at least 1 video per week. Otherwise, you are not getting enough attention to your channel. I mean, there were so many days that I was so down and I didn't want to do anything, but I had commitment to myself to do it, to make the video, to edit the video, post it, and make the cover, make the description, make the tags. Like, it's a long process, it's not easy. And there were so many times that I was really down, but I did it because I really wanted to, like, just to be loyal to this commitment I have. And yeah, finally I could monetize it. And my channel is very small. It's like a very tiny piece in the ocean of YouTube. There are so many YouTube channels out there with millions of views, millions of subscribers. I have only, I guess, 3,300 something. So it's very small. And definitely the place that my channel is right now was my wish 3 years ago when I started this channel. And definitely this is not the main goal. I want to grow this channel. I want to continue committing to this channel to grow it. And I need to thank you all for watching, for viewing my videos, supporting me, following me. Like, it was not possible without your help and support, and I really appreciate that. And I really need to say that also my girlfriend helped me a lot. She was the biggest supporter and fan I had during the whole time, and I really appreciate her as well. This is just the beginning. I have so many big plans for this channel. I want to do a lot of ideas that I have in my head. I just need to mention some of the YouTubers that are really inspiring me. For example, Casey, or Life of Riza, or Arya Cookser. They are really inspiring me a lot to continue this way and do this. So I want to make big videos, good videos. The quality is the first thing for me. I love to have quality videos. So yeah, this is what I want to do. It's just the beginning. It's nothing at the moment. I want to grow it. I want to make it bigger and bigger with your help. Enough talking. Let's get into the numbers, and I'll show you on the screen how much I made for the past 28 days and how many views I have on my channel, how many subscribers I have at the moment. So let me start sharing the screen with you. As you can see on the screen at the moment, for let's say from 12th of March, which I received the first amount on my YouTube, because my YouTube channel got monetized on 11th of March, but I received the first amount on 12th of March. So let's just change the time from 12th of March to 9th of April, which is yesterday. So I had 36,000 views for this period of time. It's like 28 days, 29 days. I'm not sure exactly, but it's something around that. And I've got 1,100 hours of watch time and 413 new subscribers. And let me show you the numbers of my subscribers. So if I change it to a lifetime, so you can see at the beginning I had a very low number of subscribers, and then it started to grow a bit, little by little. And in December, when I started to commit myself to the channel, my channel started to grow faster. And now here I am with 3,294 subscribers. And again, thanks to you all for subscribing to my channel. And so let me show you how much I made in this period of time. So I made €23.79 for the whole time. And it's nothing to live in Luxembourg. I cannot make a living with €23 per month. So I love this amount because after a long time of posting videos, creating content, and getting nothing, I'm getting something. It's very little, but it's something, and I love it. This 23 euro is very important and very valuable to me, because it's like after a long time you're getting paid for what you've been doing for a long time and not getting anything. So here it is, and as you can see, let me show you my RPM. RPM is the amount of money you get per 1,000 view on your channel. So my total RPM, let me just adjust this, because it gets you give you average, and since on 9s I haven't received anything yet. I put this on 8, so now you can see it's adjusted. So my RPM for the whole time is 0.67. So for every 1,000 views I got on my channel, I received 67 cents, and in total I made 23 euro and 79 cents. So you can see the RPM is different for each video. It depends on the subject of the video. Some subjects have higher RPM, and some subjects have a less RPM. So you can see for some videos I have 1.34 euro per 1,000 views, and for some videos I have 5 euro 61 cents per 1,000 views. And as you can see here, for one video I have 57 cents for 1,000 views. So you can see it's nothing at the moment, but I'm not quitting. I'm continuing, and definitely I made this channel a bigger one, and this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. And let me show you about the progress for the past year, for the last year. So here you can see for a long time I was just posting like less frequently, like you can see, like very small videos, short videos, not a lot of videos, like, you know, it's interrupted, it's not constant. And then I decided to post constantly, and then my channel started to grow eventually. So you can see here the number of videos that I've been posting, and also if you see the number of hours the people watch my videos, it grew eventually after I started posting consistently. So yeah, that's all about my channel. So I'm saying again, if you want to grow your channel, you need to have commitment. It's not like, you know, it happens, but it's very rare that you post one video and it goes viral and you get monetized in 2 days. That happens, but it's very rare. But if you want to go in a normal way, like everyone else, like me, you just need to have commitment. Make the videos. At the beginning, they are not the best, but eventually you learn to improve your videos. As I did, I'm still in the process of learning. I'm not the best. I'm just, definitely I am better than the video that I made before. And definitely I'm 100% much better than the video I made at the first. So just do it, go for it, try to improve it, make a better content every time. It helps you to grow, and it helps you to just learn a new skill, learn new skills. Like every time I edit a video, every time I'm making new effort on this and I'm learning something new to make the video better. So just do it, try to improve it, and then you'll see the result eventually. So here is the final result. I love it, but I need to find a good place for it. So yeah, that's it. And thank you so much for watching this. Like this video, that really helps me a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Until next video, goodbye.